Okay, for today, I'm going to show you how to create a radial mandala using Photoshop. So you're going to go into Google Classroom, go to the symmetrical mandala project, click on View Assignment, locate the radial mandala template, which is at the bottom right there. You're going to click on it. And this is going to pop up. You want to go to the three little white circles in the right hand corner and you want to open in new window. So it opens up in a new window, that way you can download it. Now you're going to go to those three dots again and select download. You should see it pop up in the bottom left, so go ahead and click on that and it should automatically open it up in Photoshop. So this is what you're doing. The first thing you need to do is you want to make sure your brush is black, so make sure it's black and then find the brush tool, go up to the options bar, make sure the hardness is at 100%, and I would put the size at 20. And then you're just going to randomly draw all over the mandala. You know, you kind of want to do shapes, so you know, organic shapes, geometric shapes, whatever kind of shapes, but you want to fill up the entire square. Now after you do that, it's highly recommended that you get a smaller brush and move it down to about 10. So this is 10, and now go in and do, I don't know, more fine delicate line work. You don't have to, but if you want an A, this is what I'm looking for, people. I'm looking for intricateness. I'm looking for detail. I want you to wow me. The next thing you need to do is go to image canvas size after you do all that, and you want to click in that top left hand corner right there, and you want to make 8 by 8 and then click OK. You might want to make sure the canvas background is white. You can't tell either, just change that to white right there and hit OK. What's going to happen? View, fit on screen. What's going to happen is it's going to make your canvas a lot bigger. So now you want to duplicate that layer. So go over to your layer box, duplicate it, hit OK, and then go to Edit, Transform, flip horizontal. Now what's going to happen is like, well, what happened to the other one? It's fine. It's still there. Now you got to find the magic wand tool. Just select the white and hit backspace, and then it gets rid of it. And then select, deselect. Now you want to merge these layers, so you want to hold down Control on your keyboard and select both layers, and then select Merge Layers, and it'll merge them all into one layer. And then you want to duplicate that, and then Edit, Transform, Flip, Vertical. Same thing's going to happen. You're going to have that white show up, so you use your magic wand tool, select the white, hit backspace, and it gets rid of it. And then select, deselect. Now you want to go to Layer, Flatten Image, and it'll all make it one nice layer. See right there. And now you're ready to color it in. So now you just click on the color picker, find a color you like. Make sure you're using the paint bucket. The paint bucket is, you can see it selected over there. And then you're just going to color it in. And if you mess up, just go to Edit, Undo, but you're going to color in the entire project. Don't leave any white showing, you know, color it all in really good. And once you get done, you're going to put your signature on, so you can just type it in if you want. You don't have to put your digital signature in, so just go over to T, type it in. I'd actually even add some blending options like I did right there, and then put it in, you know, one of the corners, File, Save As. Save it as a JPEG, and then open up Google Classroom, add or create, go to File, click on Browse, find your picture, open, and then you just submit it and turn it in, and that's the project if you want to do it this way. Okay, take care everybody.